Are you tired of the NSFW filter blocking your access to certain content on the Reddit app? In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove the NSFW filter on the Reddit app, allowing you to explore a whole new world of uncensored content. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see Reddit. Once you've found it, tap on it. And now, under Reddit settings, you'll see these two options, Show NSFW content and Blur NSFW images. So if you want to remove the NSFW filter and enable NSFW content on your Reddit account, simply toggle on the switch next to Show NSFW content. And now you will be able to access and view any NSFW content on the Reddit app. Also, if you want to unblur NSFW images, toggle off this switch. This is exactly how you can remove the NSFW filter on Reddit. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.